Smart homes sound fancy, but they don't have to be costly. You can make your home smart on a budget. This guide will help you start with simple steps. My own home needed some changes, but I didn't have much money, so I looked for affordable smart gadgets and found many good choices. First, you need a small plan. Think about what you want to make smart first. Maybe your lights or your home's heating system. You don't need to do it all at once. Start with 1 or 2 items. Many smart items are easy to install and connect to your home Wi-Fi. You use your phone or even your voice to control them. It feels like magic, but it's real technology that can improve your daily life. Let's see how it works. Smart lights were my first upgrade. Old light bulbs just turn on and off, but smart bulbs can do much more. You can change their colors, dim them, and control them from your phone. I bought some smart LED light bulbs for about $10 to $15 each. They fit into normal sockets and connect to your Wi-Fi. The setup was fast and simple. For security, I got a smart door sensor and a window sensor. These sensors alert you if a door or window opens, sending a message to your phone. I also bought a simple indoor camera for around $30. It lets me see inside my home from anywhere, and has motion sensors that record short videos. This is good for basic home security. Next, I wanted better room temperature control. A smart thermostat can save energy by learning your schedule, but they can be expensive. I discovered smart plugs, which are great and affordable. You plug a normal fan or heater into them, and they connect to your Wi-Fi. Now you can control that fan or heater with your phone. Smart plugs cost about $10 each. With a smart plug, I could turn on my AC before I got home, making my room cool when I arrived. Automation is a cool part of smart homes. For instance, your living room lights can turn on automatically when the sun sets, or your coffee pot can start brewing in the morning. Many smart apps let you create these routines, linking your different smart devices together. Sometimes things weren't perfect right away. A smart light might not connect fast to Wi-Fi, or a phone app might be confusing at first. These are just small hurdles. Don't let them stop you from trying. A quick search online often helps find answers. Be patient with new technology. Cheap smart things are good and useful, but they might not do everything perfectly. Focus on your main needs to stay happy with your choices. So, what was the total cost for my setup? For the smart lights, security sensors, indoor camera, and smart plugs, I spent about $150 in total. I bought these items slowly over a few months, making it feel manageable. You don't need lots of money to start. Small changes add up nicely over time. My home is much smarter now, and I did it all myself within my budget. You can make your home smart too. Start with just one smart thing. Maybe try a single smart plug or one smart bulb to see how you like it, then you can add more.